Hey, what's up, guys? If you want to be profitable, number one thing you have to figure out is the market direction or the daily bias. A lot of traders struggle with the market direction, and once you don't have a figure of how the market is moving, you're just going to make losses consistently. So what you first need to know is how to find your market direction, which is also the daily bias. You don't have to spend hours and hours in the market for you to know where the market is moving or what the market is doing. Number one thing we want to do as traders, once you open your chart in the morning, the first thing you want to know is your daily bias or what the market is doing. The biggest problem is most people are predictors. They want to predict the market direction, and that's wrong. The first thing you want to do concerning the market, you have to observe. You have to be an observer. Do not predict the market. Observe what the market is doing and find out or where the market is heading. Do not try to push your own narrative on the market. Try understanding how the market is doing or what the market is telling you and align yourself to the market direction. Do not force trades, do not force entries. Otherwise you're going to make a lot of losses. So number one thing when I do once I open the market in the morning, what I do, I just want to look at I want to do a top down analysis on the market. I normally start with the monthly. I just want to get a brief idea what the market is doing or what the market has been doing this month. Then now I go to the weekly and find out how the previous week has been behaving or how the week is going. I also want to go to the daily candle. I want to know like where is the daily candle expanding to so that I can have a brief idea of what we are doing on that day. And number two, what you want to know, another important aspect of the market, you have to know why the market is moving. The market does not move without a direction or an aim. The market has moves because of four reasons. Number one, to hunt liquidity. That's basic. Number two, to rebalance inefficiencies. Number three, to generate liquidity. And number four, to rebalance to equilibrium. Once you know what the market or why the market is moving, you're on the right direction of the market. The next thing you want to do, you just have to observe and find out what the market is doing. Let's look at this is the DXY. What you want to see on the monthly, I just want to look at the key levels of what the market is doing. As you can see here, let me give you an example. There is a fair value gap here. This is a monthly fair value gap that price has inverted. So you have to know of what the market is doing. Then you go to the weekly. Look at the key levels and see how the market has been behaving. Next you want to go to the daily. Check the daily candle. The previous day candle, you have to know where the market is expanding, and as you can see here we have taken the previous day high and closed inside that range. So the next thing we should target is the you have to know what we are targeting, the previous day low. And now another thing you should do in the market, do not get married to the bias. Once the market violates your bias, you just have to go back to the drawing board. Do not get married. If it's a sell and you see the market is violating every aspect of the sell concept, you don't just stay married to that bias. You just have to check now or re-strategize and see which is the right bias. And that's the easiest way to be profitable, and you don't have to use a lot of strategies on a single trade. You just have to have an understanding of the market direction. Thank you.